Jesus. Wow. Welcome back. So I reference as far as, you know, on my 2023 BMW M5 Competition, really any BMW M car, you need to do the 1,200-mile break-in. Now, unfortunately, that is a boring process, as you already may know. Smooth shifts, nothing really over 4,500, and you need to get back into the dealership right about that 1,200-mile mark. So just roll into the dealership now so that way I can get my service done and be ready to rock and roll. We can actually have some fun with this car. It's crazy, this car just wants to be let loose. I mean, just a third gear roll on. Jesus. Wow. Back from the dealership as far as my 1,200-mile running in service. So, you know, they got the oil change, they got the diff fluid change, all the diagnostic checks that they need. I was at the dealership for about 2 hours, but very critical to get all that done. And this thing is a rocket ship, as you could tell. I mean, just the power is endless. It's so raw as it is, as far as Sport Plus is extremely fast, just in stock competition form. Big thumbs up on today's video. Check out the other different M5 videos that I have, F10 and F90. 335i videos, so for all my E90 and 54 guys, still got that car, still have plenty of videos out there. And for the B58 crowd, the M340i. Hopefully you guys have a great start to your weekend. I'm gonna check you on the next video. Take care.